So how do you personally use Helium 10 to find good keywords for Amazon PPC? Let's zoom out for clarity. What Helium 10 is, the software that is going to help usually brands successfully with keyword research and with spying on competition. How do I use Helium 10 to find good keywords for Amazon PPC? We are using a tool in Helium 10 called Cerebro. This is one of the processes that we're using, and the way how we're using Cerebro is going to help us see both also on our end which are the keywords that we are organically ranking for, which are the keywords that we intentionally are advertising and which we are not advertising. That is when it comes down to our product. When it comes down to our competitors' product, we're going to look up a very similar process, again in Cerebro. We're going to add up to 10 or 9 of our competitors while also adding our product. If you don't have a product, take the top 10 bestsellers on Amazon that are highly relevant for whatever you are planning to sell. So now that you understand better how you can use it, you can use it both for checking on whatever works for your product, which are the things that you're advertising for, which are the things that you're missing that should be advertising for, and also how to look up competitors. That is a good way how we can find good keywords for Amazon PPC. It's helping us with keyword ranking and with tracking specific keywords that we are using in Amazon PPC efforts and SEO efforts. So I will highly recommend you to check it out if you have not had the chance. This is why I'm endorsing it. 5 years ago when I started this, I went to whoever provided me the most accurate content that was up to date and was the most volume of it.